Hello, fun fans. Yeah, my nail polish came off because it did not stick at all. My hands look bad. I don't know why, but here we are. And today we're going to be making cat popsicles. So first you want to have an ice tray. And you want to rinse it. You see, just rinse it. With soap or without soap, whatever. I don't know. I'm going to rinse it with soap though, just in case there's any harmful things. I changed my mind, but I rinsed it with really hot water just in case the soap, did anything. So I'm going to put that to the side. And what you need is the bag. It's a cat. Yeah, I made this, and I sew this. I'm really proud of it, but this is, I'll probably do a tutorial, but this is the bag. This is the bag my cat loves, and you'll need what's inside. The liquid cat treats. My cat literally loves this so much. I have a Japanese version in here, and then I have the regular. So most of them, they are churros. She loves these. And then I have the Japanese version, which is a small packet. It's just called cat meat because I can't read anything else. I can read grain-free, but it's all in Japanese, cause yeah. So I'm gonna be using churro because it's a lot more in there, and I wouldn't have to use all the little packets, and it's a small portion, so my cat wouldn't have that much. So yeah. Okay. I'm actually in my bathroom right now, but just look at them when they. It's a Friday night, and my shirt says, nope, not today, but you can't see it. Oh, no, it says, today I do nothing. Or more like, tonight I do nothing. Anyhow, so this is honestly going to be really, really gross, but if you love your cat, you do it. Another way to do this is taking a balloon and fill it with the mixture, the mixture we're going to make, and put that in the freezer, and then it'll make a cat balloon popsicle. But those are huge. And so this is just going to be easier. So you see where it says open, you're going to open. I hate this. It stinks and it's so messy. Oh, hey, that didn't explode. Oh, ew. I got chicken liquid on my hand. Ew. My cat's favorite thing in the entire world. So I'm going to go give her a lick. Hey, Nurses. I got the churro. I got you a churro. I got you a cherry. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Alrighty, so the catsicles are done. Just to let you know, most of this stuff will probably sink to the bottom, so I'll show you how to give this to your cat, but I need to get it out of here first. Just twist it, and if it doesn't come out, bang it. If it doesn't come out, run hot water under it. Let's try to find my cat. Just as I suspected, I have a treat for you. I do. I have a treat for you. What you doing? You're gonna come? Or just gonna make biscuits? Okay, baby. You ready for your nummy nums?